How to not allow screenshots on Instagram. To be very straightforward on this, you cannot prevent others from taking screenshots, especially if it's your post, stories, or profile. You cannot also prevent them from taking screenshots of reels or comments, but you can restrict them to take screenshots in most cases. For example, if you don't want them to take screenshots of your messages, you can do this step. Go to the messages and swipe up. Enable the disappearing messages feature. Once you do this, then your message will disappear after 24 hours. When that happens, then they won't have time to screenshot your messages, and even if they do, you will get a notification. Another thing that you can do is to restrict your stories. If you don't want your stories to be visible to people who might take screenshots, then only share the story to your close friends. Select a story that you want to put out. At the bottom, click on Close Friends. Now within your friends also, you can select specific friends that you want to share this story to. By this way, you can prevent the amount of people that could potentially take screenshots. That's all for today. Thank you.